In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video and add it to the track. Next, duplicate your main video and paste it above the based video layer. Tap on the overlay clip, go to the toolbar and select Remove Background. Tap Auto Removal to separate the subject. This step is essential to create a realistic shadow effect. After that, copy the second video layer and paste it above. Now, select the second layer again and adjust the brightness of the overlay to make it darker, giving it a shadow-like appearance. You can do this by tapping in the Adjustment tab, selecting the Curve option. After that, move the Luma line to the right side. With the second video layer selected, drag and move the video frame in the previous screen to position the shadow. After that, adjust the opacity of the shadow as needed. To do that, go back to the Video tab, tap on Basic, scroll down to the Blend option, and adjust the opacity slider to your liking. Once you're done, play back your video to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Once you're happy with the result, tap the Export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully added a drop shadow effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!